The science of vaccines and immunology is a fascinating and vital field that plays a crucial role in public health and disease prevention. Vaccines have been one of the most effective tools in controlling infectious diseases, significantly reducing morbidity and mortality rates worldwide. The development and deployment of vaccines are rooted in the principles of immunology, the branch of biomedical science that studies the immune system and its responses to pathogens. Understanding the mechanisms of vaccines and the immune response not only sheds light on how vaccines protect individuals and populations but also highlights the importance of ongoing research and innovation in this area. The immune system is a complex network of cells, tissues, and organs that work together to defend the body against harmful invaders, such as bacteria, viruses, and parasites. It comprises two main components: the innate immune system and the adaptive immune system. The innate immune system provides the first line of defense, acting quickly and non-specifically to identify and eliminate pathogens. This includes physical barriers, such as the skin and mucous membranes, as well as immune cells like macrophages and neutrophils that recognize and destroy foreign invaders. In contrast, the adaptive immune system is characterized by its ability to recognize specific pathogens and mount a targeted response. This system relies on specialized cells called lymphocytes, which include B cells and T cells. B cells are responsible for producing antibodies, proteins that can neutralize pathogens or mark them for destruction by other immune cells. T cells, on the other hand, play various roles in the immune response, including directly killing infected cells and helping to activate B cells and other immune cells. The adaptive immune system also has a remarkable memory capability, allowing it to respond more rapidly and effectively upon subsequent exposure to the same pathogen. Vaccines harness the principles of immunology to stimulate the immune system and provide protection against infectious diseases. By introducing a harmless component of a pathogen, such as an inactivated or weakened form of the virus or bacterium, or a piece of its genetic material, vaccines train the immune system to recognize and respond to the actual pathogen if encountered in the future. This process mimics natural infection without causing the disease itself, allowing the body to develop immunity safely. The history of vaccines dates back to the late 18th century when Edward Jenner developed the first smallpox vaccine using material from cowpox lesions. This pioneering work laid the foundation for modern vaccination practices and demonstrated the concept of using a related, less harmful pathogen to confer immunity against a more dangerous disease. Over the years, advancements in microbiology and immunology have led to the development of various types of vaccines, including live attenuated vaccines, inactivated vaccines, subunit vaccines, and mRNA vaccines. Live attenuated vaccines contain weakened forms of the pathogen that can still replicate but do not cause disease in healthy individuals. These vaccines often elicit strong and long-lasting immune responses, as they closely mimic natural infections. Examples include the measles, mumps, and rubella (MMR) vaccine and the oral polio vaccine. Inactivated vaccines, on the other hand, contain killed pathogens that cannot replicate. While these vaccines are generally safe, they may require multiple doses to achieve adequate immunity. The inactivated polio vaccine and the hepatitis A vaccine are examples of this type. Subunit vaccines consist of purified components of the pathogen, such as proteins or sugars, that can stimulate an immune response without the risk of causing disease. These vaccines often require adjuvants, substances that enhance the immune response, to be effective. The human papillomavirus (HPV) vaccine and the hepatitis B vaccine are examples of subunit vaccines. More recently, mRNA vaccines have emerged as a groundbreaking technology in vaccine development. Instead of using live or inactivated pathogens, mRNA vaccines deliver genetic instructions to cells, prompting them to produce a harmless piece of the pathogen, which then triggers an immune response. The Pfizer-BioNTech and Moderna COVID-19 vaccines are notable examples of mRNA vaccines that have proven highly effective in preventing COVID-19. The success of vaccination programs has led to the eradication of smallpox and significant reductions in diseases such as polio, measles, and diphtheria. Vaccination not only protects individuals but also contributes to herd immunity, a phenomenon that occurs when a significant portion of the population becomes immune to a disease, thereby reducing its spread and protecting those who cannot be vaccinated, such as infants or individuals with compromised immune systems. herd immunity is essential for controlling outbreaks and preventing the resurgence of vaccine-preventable diseases. Despite the remarkable achievements of vaccines, challenges remain in the field of immunology and vaccination. Vaccine hesitancy, fueled by misinformation and distrust, poses a significant barrier to achieving high vaccination rates and controlling infectious diseases. Addressing vaccine hesitancy requires effective communication strategies, education, and community engagement to build trust in vaccines and highlight their safety and efficacy. Public health campaigns that emphasize the importance of vaccination in protecting not only individuals but also communities are essential in combating misinformation and promoting vaccine uptake. Additionally, the emergence of new infectious diseases and the potential for vaccine-resistant strains of pathogens necessitate ongoing research and innovation in vaccine development. The rapid development of COVID-19 vaccines showcased the power of modern science and technology in responding to global health crises. The use of mRNA technology, in particular, has opened new avenues for vaccine research, allowing for faster development and adaptability to emerging pathogens. Scientists are now exploring the potential of mRNA vaccines for other diseases, including influenza, Zika virus, and even cancer. Furthermore, the field of immunology continues to evolve as researchers uncover the complexities of the immune response. Understanding how the immune system interacts with pathogens, vaccines, and the microbiome, the community of microorganisms living in and on our bodies, can lead to the development of more effective vaccines and therapies. For example, studies on the gut microbiome have revealed its influence on immune responses, suggesting that optimizing gut health may enhance vaccine efficacy. The importance of global vaccination efforts cannot be overstated, especially in the context of the COVID-19 pandemic. The equitable distribution of vaccines worldwide is crucial for controlling the spread of the virus and preventing the emergence of new variants. Initiatives such as COVAX aim to ensure that vaccines are accessible to low- and middle-income countries, addressing disparities in vaccination rates and promoting global health security. Collaborative efforts among governments, international organizations, and the private sector are essential for achieving widespread vaccination and protecting populations from infectious diseases. In conclusion, the science of vaccines and immunology is a dynamic and essential field that has transformed public health and disease prevention. Through the principles of immunology, vaccines have become a cornerstone of modern medicine, providing protection against infectious diseases and contributing to the well-being of individuals and communities. The ongoing challenges of vaccine hesitancy, emerging infectious diseases, and the need for equitable access to vaccines highlight the importance of continued research, innovation, and collaboration in this area. As we advance our understanding of the immune system and develop new vaccines, we can build a healthier future, safeguarding populations from the threats posed by infectious diseases and ensuring the resilience of global health systems. The journey of vaccines and immunology is far from over, and the potential for scientific discovery and public health advancement remains limitless.